Okay, so now we're going to have a look here at subtracting fractions with different denominators. Really similar to when we're adding fractions with different denominators. So for example, we've got 7/8 minus a half. We can't work with that at the moment because the denominators are different, and we know that when we're working with adding or subtracting fractions, we need the denominators to be the same. So we need to find a common multiple, that is a number that both 8 and 2 go into. And in this case, it's 8 itself. Okay, so we can keep 7/8 as it is. So now we say, what have I done to 2 to get to 8 in terms of multiplying? What if I multiplied 2 by to get to 8? I've multiplied it by 4. So then what I do to the bottom, I do to the top. What I do to the top, I do to the bottom. So I've multiplied my denominator by 4, so I need to multiply my numerator by 4. So I need to say 1 times 4 gives me 4. And then I'm just doing what I know already about when I'm subtracting fractions with the same denominator. So they've both got a denominator of 8 now, so my denominator stays as 8, and I just subtract my numerators. So 7 take away 4 gives me 3. Do another example. Let's say I've got 7/9 and I'm taking away 1/3. Can't work with them both at the moment because the denominators are different, so I need to give them the same denominator. So what does 9 go into? The 3 also goes into, and it's 9. So I can keep 9 here. So that stays as it is, that's fine. So I know that 3 goes into 9. So that can be my new denominator for them both. So then I say, what have I done to 3 to get to 9? What if I multiplied 3 by to get to 9? And I've multiplied it by 3. So then I say, what I do to the bottom, I must do to the top. So 1 times 3 gives me 3. So 1/3 is the same as 3/9. So now I've got the same denominator. So I'm able just to keep my denominator the same and then just subtract my numerators. 7 take away 3 gives me 4. So therefore 7/9 take away 3/9 gives me 4/9.